actually say.
Yeah.
I had something to say yesterday and I've forgotten what it was.
Oh. What's about?
I don't know, can't remember.
Because Pat were here on her own all day yesterday, weren't you, Pat?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you weren't actually, were you? Because Alethea came back at 1.
She did. She came back at 1. Yeah. I were on my own in the morning. But I did a bit of cross stitch yesterday. I've got a new cross stitch. I'm very frightened to start it because it doesn't start the way that all the others that I've ever done starts. It's a bit different and I'm a bit apprehensive about getting it right.
Oh.
I've had it over a year, well over. I think I got it Christmas
You
before.
mean you don't know how to start it?
Yeah, where to start it. It normally has.
You don't
in
know
the
where to
instructions. Well, I know basically, but not. I wouldn't say I'm 100% sure. So I'll have to have. I want to get it out, but I'm frightened to look at it again. So it's been in there. Not last Christmas, Christmas before.
Oh, dear me. Oh.
Oh. I might have a look at it today, see what I think. Yeah, but it wasn't that I were going to talk about. I can't remember what it was.
Oh. Well, that canal towpath were bad. That we walked down, me and Mickey, well, the rain we've had. It even rained while we were walking down there. Really massive puddles.
And had it been sorted like it is up here with?
No.
No, it was
What
just
they've done
mud.
is they've built another path, sort of
Parallel?
yeah, parallel to it. And it's all proper gravel and all fenced off and everything. I don't. We eventually got onto it,
Right.
but it was fenced off, so we couldn't get onto it for a long while. But we could have done. We don't know why we didn't get onto it from the start.
Right. Is one the canal and one the river?
No.
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 Oh.
I noticed all runners and they were all running on that one, but nobody were on the.
One way you were.
No, I'm not surprised either.
No. But at least you didn't have to deal with runners and bicycles.
No.
On your path.
When I go into Leeds and I see all these buildings, I think, what do they do in them? I can't get over it. I think, what on earth goes on? I mean, they're massive and there's hundreds of them. What? Possibly.
Yeah, they've just built loads of new buildings, haven't they? High.
What kind of industry can occupy all these buildings?
There were, I mean, quite a lot of them have been apartments, aren't they, in some parts of it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, obviously I know when it's an apartment what goes on in there, but I'm talking about these massive office blocks.
Don't know.
We walked by what was the old Dragonora Hotel.
Right.
It's now called the Hilton. And I remember, the only things I remember Bay City Rollers staying in that hotel. And they were all kids all on the other side of the road.
Right.
And they were up at window
Basic
looking out at them, tormenting them. Yeah, I remember that. It's not often you ever go down there on that road past Dragonara. Leeds Bridge, innit?
Right.
I think it's the Leeds Bridge, we call it.
Right.
The taxi, the river taxi went under it, and we went on it, didn't we? We got off, people getting off where we got off.
Yeah.
So it's still running, is that river taxi?
Is it? Oh, good. Well, it goes down to Armories, doesn't it?
Down to Armories, where all apartments are.
And Indian restaurant. And,
yeah.
You used to get off there for Tetley's Brewery, didn't you?
Yeah.
But now they've changed that, haven't they?
There were a lot of people in Leeds when we got into the centre, going up Briggate. Heck of a lot of people.
Wow.
Lots of kids, Ellen.
Lots of kiddies, yeah. They're still on holiday, aren't they?
Yeah. But they weren't in the pubs much.
No, they won't be.
I'll have to start going on to zero alcohol, zero Peroni, I think. I only had 2 pints, 4 halves I had. We went to 4 pubs and had 4 halves. We had a bowl of chips in one of them. You know, a little thing of chips in one of them. But I wasn't drunk, but it tightens my chest and gives me a headache and don't suit me anymore, don't booze.
No. Strange, isn't it?
I don't think mixers has bothered.
No, I ain't.
But it's...
Did he have halves as well?
Yeah, he did. I won't want to do it, go
Regular.
caffeine.
Oh,
right, regular, yeah. I won't want to be pub crawling on a regular basis. Maybe if I were drinking zero, I would.
Won't be so bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I expected it to be more expensive
Oh, did you?
than it was.
Did you pay for all drinks?
No. No, we took it in turns.
Right.
I bought 2 rounds and Mick did.
Right. Oh. Good.
Yeah. I think it's all right 1-to-1.
Yeah. Yeah, you said you never stopped chatting.
Yeah, we're very chatty. Nowadays, it's a lot different. When there's quite a few of you, it just goes very quiet.
So I don't want to start a conversation.
Yeah, because he forgets words. It's words that he struggles with.
Yeah.
He can't find a particular word. And it's really frustrating.
Yeah. Oh.
And forgetful. Old age.
What it does.
Time to knock to you, darling.
Oh, thank you.
Still look all right.
Still look all right. Oh, God. Wish I did. Yeah.
Anything else to report?
Well, Tracy was late last night, wasn't she? Gonna have
Did she say why?
I think it was just traffic.
Just traffic.
Yeah. So she was coming out at court at 5 o'clock-ish, and it took her till 6:30.
Wow.
And she'd she couldn't get parked outside here. She couldn't get parked up St Andrew's Close, so she's ended up right down back canal. Didn't she?
Yeah. Yeah. That's first time that's happened.
Yeah. Yeah. But then she said when she walked up from there were spaces then. She said, I'm going to go back and get car and bring it back up.
Tell you what I did notice yesterday. There's an old pizza place down in Rodley there, and it was been shut down for a bit, and they're doing it up as a Indian restaurant in Rodley.
Let's hope it's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll see. Did I?
Hello, darling.
Did I tell you I'd solved my car problem? A garage.
Yeah.
Did I tell her? I don't think I did. Because immediately after school holidays, on the Monday, I booked a site, 3 days, on a site in Caton Village, which is near Caton Bay, which is just below Scarborough. And I found a garage there in Caton. It's got a really good reputation and it can do the job. So I booked the van in for the Tuesday. So we're going there on Monday, and then Tuesday morning I've got to drag Pat out of bed early because we've got to take the van round to the garage, so he needs it all day. So he's doing a cam belt change and a service on it. And then I booked another site as well for another 3 days. I can't remember where that is now. I've got it written down. But not immediately after the one I booked in Caton, in case we want to stay longer, because they've got a swimming pool.
And they've got a restaurant and a bar, haven't they?
Yeah, a restaurant and a bar, yeah. Yeah, you can have breakfast in there if you want. So, we'll see.
Yeah.
And Caton's rang me. Clayton's the garage, not Caton's. Caton Bay, Caton. Clayton's the garage. Where I normally, who said they couldn't do it. She rang me this morning and she said, I'm just reminding you, your van's due for a service. And I said, I rang you a fortnight ago. Did you? She says. I says, aye. Because I told you I need a cam belt change. It's 5 years since it were done. And you said you couldn't do it. Did we? Why did, who said that? I said, I don't know. A female that I spoke to. Well, anyway, I said, I've had to go somewhere else. All right, well, as long as you found somewhere. She says, but I'm surprised that we can't do it. I said, well, I will. She says, maybe we don't have the tools for your van, for your particular vehicle. But I don't know what about it, so I don't know. So there you go. So yeah, at least that's sorted out.
Yeah.
And I've got to go up and get some money today to pay Eileen for the storage. So, you know, the storage yard where I keep the van.
It's due.
I do it quarterly, I don't do it annually. You might have noticed it comes up pretty often. Yeah, don't ask me why. There ain't a logical reason for it.
No. No logical or financial reason.
I'm just quirky that way.
Trevor's little brain.
Yeah.
Just strange
Maybe
things.
it's because I like to go and have a chat with Eileen.
Yeah,
She amazes me because she's 97.
Mm. She still goes out.
Yeah.
You see her walking about with a little walking stick, don't you?
Goes to shop. Goes to little meetings at various places.
Yeah.
She's amazing.
Keeps herself going, and she does her gardening.
She does her gardening and all. I don't know how she does that.
No.
Yeah. Aye, she's amazing.
Well, she was still riding a bike into her 80s, wasn't she?
Yeah. She used to racing cyclist. And she still rode into her 80s. She used to go miles. Maybe I like to go and see her and have a chat with her.
Yeah, that's probably why. Because she's interesting, isn't she?
Aye. Yeah, Mick says to me, do you do that?
Oh, Mick says to
Yesterday. Yeah, tap table like that.
you. Right. Why does he?
Says it annoys Jane.
Oh. Yeah, you can imagine.
Everything Mick does annoys Jane. Oh
Dear.
they're a right pair they are. Jane never stops. She's always doing something.
Going to see someone, meeting someone.
Oh yeah, she's she's involved in all sorts of stuff. It's funny. Life's funny, isn't it?
She's just resigned from committee, hasn't she?
She's done it years. Treasurer, wasn't she? Treasurer.
She did alt minutes.
Secretary or something.
Did alt minutes and things like that. And she said, since she stopped work, her mind's not as flexible with computer, and they're bringing new things out on computers, and she says, I just can't pick it up anymore. So I wanted shut of it, because it took her that long to do it. So anyway, her and someone else have resigned, and what's happened is the rest of the group are going to divide the job between them.
Right.
So, is it for the litter picking and things like that?
I don't really know. I know it includes litter picking, but what else?
What else it includes?
I don't know.
Well, they got all stones, didn't they, for round curbing of places, and painted them all white. Do you remember? And also like making people aware of the wood at the end. And she got a son, didn't she? Her youngest son, to do a big sign for it.
Oh, right. The wood, the main wood. The wood that you walk
the wood
through.
that you walk through and past that mural. Did you put that up for them to have a look at?
No, I haven't done.
Naughty boy.
Naughty boy. I'll put it up now.
Oh, have you got it? You know where it is?
Yeah. Well, she emailed it to me.
Right.
I'll download it and put it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, the painting that she organised an artist to do on her gable end.
Yeah.
You've probably seen it, but she's got a lovely photograph of it. And I photographed it. Well, she did Jane, and she sent it to me. So I'll put that up,
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah.
You can look and see different things in there. There's a fox and bluebells and different things in there, I think.
Yeah.
You have a look.
If it's so interesting thee.
Yes, interests me.
Does you, don't it?
Yeah. I thought it was lovely.
It is lovely. Yeah. Okay, folks. We'll see you tomorrow then, all being well.
Yes.
All right. Bye.
Bye.